Well, more than half of the U.S. population has put off going to the dentist just because they're not comfortable. Some people are truly afraid, others are just anxious. And well, you don't have to live life that way getting those routine dental checkups. This next segment has been sponsored by Troy Family Dental in Illinois, and they specialize in sedation dentistry as well as many dental implants. Joining me today is Dr. Richard Boatman. Doc, thanks for joining us.
It's great to be here.
I'm happy you're here. I mean, so many people are afraid to go to the dentist, but you guys have a solution. It's sedation dentistry. How does it work?
Well, we have 2 sedation suites set up. We have 2 CRNAs, Dr. Griffin, Dr. Johnson come in. They can put a little IV in your hand, administer some medications. You lay back, take a nap, and your dentistry's done, and you wake up, it's all finished.
Oh my gosh, you make it sound so easy.
It is easy. You don't remember a thing.
I love that, and it really does calm people's nerves. They know they can come in, get that dental work taken care of, and you guys say it's so important because really your mouth is the portal to good health.
It is. There are so many people that have really, really bad teeth, and they're so afraid, and they just don't get it done. So yeah, it can really improve their overall health.
Absolutely. Well, this is a solution to the problem if you are afraid of going to the dentist. And not only do they do sedation dentistry, but your practice also does mini dental implants. What are those?
So we do a lot of implants. A lot of them are mini dental implants, which help a lot of people. Like I was saying, a lot of people need to transition out of really bad teeth into false teeth, and they really struggle with that, especially with a lower denture. There's nothing to grab onto. It just kind of floats around. So we can place 4 little mini dental implants, let those heal for a couple months, and then put some snaps in that denture, and then it'll go into place, snap right into place, and now no more denture glue, and they bite a lot better.
I like that. Well, I heard that snap go in. I mean, does it hurt when you're putting those dentures in?
No, not at all. It's like a windbreaker that snaps together.
Oh, okay, that doesn't hurt.
Not at all. Not at all.
I love that. And many dental implants can offer so many different benefits. What are other benefits aside from just a better quality of life?
Well, so there are a lot of people that suffer from a really bad gag reflex. So with their upper denture, we can actually remove the palate, no more gag reflex, and they can taste their food a lot better. Then we can snap that in. And again, they're much better bite power. They enjoy a much better quality of life. There's other things like a snap-on bridge, which is a lot sleeker, feels a lot more natural. And there are some people that really don't want anything they can take in or out at all. So we can do some traditional implants where the prosthesis is screwed onto those implants. They can't take it out. It's just like your teeth when you were 19 years old.
Oh my gosh, you make it sound so easy. And who doesn't want those nice, young, white, pretty teeth, right?
Absolutely.
Now, St. Louis, if you're at home and you're watching, you're like, Troy Family Dental in Illinois, guess what? They're 20 minutes from any bridge. It's such an easy commute. And you guys really do treat all of your patients like their family.
They are, absolutely.
So well, St. Louis, or if you're on the other side of the river in Illinois, Troy Family Dental will absolutely take care of you. Make sure you're getting those regular dental cleanings, even if you're doing it by sedation dentistry. And you can go ahead and call, make your appointment today. That number to dial is 618-623-4094. You can also visit them online at troyfamilydental.com. They're on social media, on Facebook and on Instagram. So give them a follow, show them some love. And that number to dial one more time is 618-623-4094. This Ask the Medical Expert segment has been sponsored by Troy Family Dental in Illinois. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back after this quick break.